Greetings from Toronto. My name is Milmantas. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I decided to record this video for an application for temporary resident visa. Please be advised that this is not a legal advice. I'm recording this video based on the fact that I resubmit many previously refused applications, and I see the mistakes were made. When I prepare the applications with my clients, I see how they tend sometimes not to answer to these background check questions correctly. Therefore, I'm recording this video for IMM5257, and this application may appear very simple, although it is not that simple because it is very easy to make unintended mistakes. Regardless of whether you wish to submit this application via the IRCC Portal, which is a new platform, the new way to submit applications, or if you choose to submit using the GCKey platform, the declaration questions and employment questions are in every application. So if this is your first application that you're submitting to Canadian immigration, means you are starting to create your Canadian immigration history. And I wish that that history was positive and without any mistakes. I hope and I trust that this short video will help you complete the application correctly. At the beginning of the application, there is nothing complicated. You need to answer your personal questions about yourself. Just read every single question that you would be able to answer it correctly. I would like to bring your attention to the employment and background declaration. So the form requests your employment for the last 10 years. You need to indicate your position, employer, be as accurate as possible. In the future, if you were to work with a professional and that professional would ask questions, probing questions, and if you come across a mistake that you made in the past, please make sure you correct it and carry on and complete this application correctly. Be truthful at all times. It is your duty and responsibility to be truthful and answer the questions correctly. The background questions require answer yes or no. This is that simple. The only issue becomes that applicants sometimes rush to read the questions and misinterpret them. So let's read the questions together. So background information. The first question: within the past 2 years, have you or a family member ever had tuberculosis of the lungs or been in close contact with a person with tuberculosis? Yes or no? So you need to dissect this question into two. Have you? Yes or no? Or has a family member been in contact or had tuberculosis? Yes or no? So let's go to question number 2. Have you remained beyond the validity of your status? Yes or no? Have you attended school without authorization? Yes or no? Or have you worked without authorization in Canada? Yes or no? So this question should be divided into 3 parts, and that would make you easier to answer this question correctly. So let's continue. Be extra careful in reading these questions and answering these questions correctly. Briefly about the supporting documents. Very often my clients make comments that I'm asking much more documents than it is indicated on the document checklist. And the reason for this is I build the case based on the merit. When we discuss with the client their specific situation, I ask and try to understand of how I would be able to make this application as strong as possible. As mentioned at the beginning, all the information is available online. You can read the act, you can read the regulations, you can read the manuals, which are located on the website as well. But the process may be over overwhelming. And if you run into such a situation, I would be happy to help you. I am just an email away. And if your application was refused and you need assistance to resubmit it, I would be happy to assist you. Good luck.